Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Estefania and I'd love to do makeup. That's just what I do. If you're not new here, welcome back and let's get started. Today I really didn't know what to do. I have a makeup look in mind. I wanted to do like a bronzy brownish eye look, just play around with makeup. I'm also drinking a little beer and eating some chips while I'm at it. So yeah, I guess I'll chit chat and get ready with you guys. Yeah, I'm just eating tortilla chips. I could do a mukbang. That microphone, you can hear everything clearly. Maybe I'll do an ASMR video soon. Should I do one of those? Please comment below if you want to see me do an ASMR video. That'll be like the biggest challenge for me, I think, to whisper, because I'm like super loud. Okay, I need to stop eating these chips and get to the part of this video. Alrighty then, I can't help it. I did want to feature two of these products by Lancome, and it's their Ombre Hypnose Stylo, and I'm gonna be using bronze and monogold, and these were sent to me. I don't know if you know what octoly is, so I signed up for octoly because I was actually recommended by another influencer or content creator, and yeah, I was like, let me give it a try, and it's been good so far. So I'm gonna try these out. The purpose of octoly is to get brands to get to know you, send you things, and you review them. So it's basically easier having just to wait till brands to reach out to you. Octoly does the job for you. They have a whole bunch of different products. You choose it and then you get to review it. So I chose these just because I've never tried Lancome products like that, so I wanted to give it a try. Before everyone goes and tries to apply, you need a certain amount of followers, of course, and all that. So I will link it down below just in case you have enough followers, and yeah, give it a try. So let's get started. I'm gonna prime my face, and I'm gonna use this no pore blum. Is that beer getting to me, or I don't know? No Pore Blum primer, and it's by Touch in Soul, and I'm just gonna apply that all over the face. And a little trick that I've been liking, it's applying this setting spray before I apply my foundation or anything like that. And this is the Milani Make It Last Matte Finish setting spray, and I just feel like this really mattifies my face a lot, and I really like it, and I love the way it smells as well. Today I'm going to be using the Conceal and Perfect foundation by Milani, and I love this foundation. I'm going to apply that all over the face. So I'm going to be taking this Kabuki Buffer by Shayna B. Miami, and I'm just going to buff all of that foundation all over the face. Bring it down to the neck. Don't forget your neck. So after you have your foundation nice and buffed, you're gonna go in with the brows, and today I'm gonna be using my Goof Proof brow pencil, and my eyebrows are crazy. I started using these brow products and lash products. And oh my god, I see the growth so much now. My lashes are super long and my eyebrows don't stop growing. It's insane, but I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, like, damn, I gotta do my eyebrows like every day now. I'm just gonna fill in my brows like I would usually fill them. Now that the brows are done, I'm gonna go in with the concealer, and today I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer, and I'm in the color C14. I'm going to then go in with the powder, and I'm using my usual, the Fenty Beauty Butter Powder. And I'm gonna apply that under the eye area first. And I also wanted to say, if there's anything that you guys want to see me to record, please let me know. For contouring, I'm gonna be using, of course, the Profusion Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm just gonna contour my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and underneath the jawline. I'll be taking my small contour brush by Sigma. For the nose, I like to use a smaller brush so that I can be nice and precise. For bronzer, I wanted to bronze up the cheeks nicely because this is a bronzy look. So I'm going to be taking the Manizer Sisters by The Balm, and this is Betty Lou Manizer, and it's just a perfect bronze color. And I'm going to apply that on the cheeks where I applied the contour, and just blending the contour and bronzing that up. And I'm going to take powder and bake. Apply a little bit of powder on my chin, my forehead, and the nose, because in these areas I get a little bit oily and that powder helps. Now we can move on and do the eyes. I'm gonna be taking two palettes today, and this is the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions, and I love this palette. It's such a beautiful brown palette. And I'm also gonna be taking the Full Spectrum by CoverGirl, and this is the So Saturated, and it just has these beautiful bronzy colors, but I wanted to apply this bronzy color. Of course, I'm gonna be taking the Lancome shadow thingy. I'm going to take the bronze color and just apply that on the lid first as a base. And this is the Ombre Hypnose Stylo in bronze. Eyeshadow pencil things. So that's cute. Right on the lid. Oh, I like that. Super nice. I'm going to focus that mostly on the lid and close to the lash line. What I'm gonna do is take my ring finger and just blend that out a little bit. I'm taking the Warm Brown Obsessions palette. I'm taking this brown color right here, which is more like a brown brick color. Blending brush by Eggshell, and it's really a great blending brush. You want a good blending brush when you're doing like smoky eyes, and I think that's what I'm doing today. Let's see. I'm gonna start applying that on the crease and bringing that up to the brow just a little bit. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust the process. So now you're gonna go in with this brown color. You're gonna go in on top of the other brown. So now what you're doing is working both of the color from the lid and the crease together, and that, you know, blends out really nice. Now you see the difference of this right here and this right here. You actually blended those two colors together, where there's no separation in between these two. So that's what you want. Okay, so now to blend out the the crease a little bit. I'm gonna use a lighter color just to blend that out nicely. I just want to say, if you don't have a pencil brush, you must invest in a pencil brush, and this is by Sigma, and this is the E30, but any pencil brush will work. I have two on hand because I just feel like if one is dirty, then I have the other one, you know. And I just feel like pencil brushes just blend out the crease area just perfectly. So that's just my opinion, and a little tip that I don't think I've said on my channel and that I've been doing a lot lately. I just feel like it's so small, it's fluffy enough to blend out, and yeah, you'll see now. I'm gonna be taking color right here and just blending that brick color a little tiny bit. Watch how this goes. You see how small the brush is? So you're gonna be nice and precise so that you're not really touching the brown color that's down here on the crease. You're only touching the brick color. And you're gonna be doing small circular motions. And voila! See how fast that was? I just did it a little tiny bit, and look how fast already that was blended. A little trick that I've been doing lately so that I don't touch this part whenever I'm doing looks like this. You see how that blended so nice with just this little brush right here. I like to take a smaller brush and just take the dark brown color again and go back into the crease just to darken that area a little bit more, just in case you lost some of that color while you were blending. We're gonna go in with the color of the day, and it's this bronzy color right here. I'm gonna take that bronzy color and start applying that on to the lid with a E55 by Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna apply that right on the lid, and look how beautiful that is. I love it. I want a more intense color, so I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray. What I want to do is right in the center of the bronzy color, I want to go in with a shimmery color, and I'm going to be using this shimmery color right here and just applying that right to the very center just to pop the bronzy look and give it some like dimension, you know? That's pretty much it for this look. I am going to line my eyes, and I'm going to be using the liquid eyeliner by Mia Adora, and it's the unshakable eyeliner. Okay, so once the eyeliner is done, we're going to go in and remove the powder. For the under eye area, I'm just going to apply the brown color. On the waterline, I'm going to be using the Scandal Eyes by Rimmel. Okay, for highlighter, I wanted to use Glow Getter. And I wanted to use this color, which is Jackpot right here. So I'm going to use that on the brow bone and inner corner. Okay, for blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Berry Amore blush, and I'm gonna apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, to finish up the eyes, I'm gonna be using the Grande Drama mascara and applying that on both the top and bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna be applying my falsies on top. So for the falsies today, I'm going to be using these Kylie lashes by Dollar Lash Club. So while the lashes dry, I'm going to apply the highlighter onto the cheeks. I'm going to be using the same color, which was this color right here. So let's check if these lashes are dry. So that's pretty much for the eyes, and now we're gonna go in with the lips, and I think we're done after that. So I'm gonna be taking this Suavecita pomade lipstick, and this is in the color Santana. A pretty color. I thought it would just go so well with this look. It's like a bronzy mauve lipstick. So I'm gonna apply that first. And I'm gonna go in with Essence Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss. And I love this lip gloss. Last but not least, we're gonna apply setting spray. And this is the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day in Green Tea Ginger. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It really wasn't a chit chat video like I expected it to be. Speed things up, and if I chat too much, then this video is like 30 minutes long, and we don't want that. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.